I just want to run through a bit of an issue I had in a previous video. I discussed changing the resistor for the fan, which is that controls all 4 speeds. So if you have an issue where 1 and 3 or 2 and 4 or whatever, some combination of fan speeds don't work, that's probably that's fairly universal through all vehicles, obviously different types, but the resistor could well be the problem. The other thing is that this here is this is a Rodeo 4-wheel drive 1997 model, and this is the blower unit, and that creates the air that pushes the air out through the vents. The motor's in the base there. Now, I discovered that this was the problem. It wasn't the resistor at all. I was a bit suspicious because it just stopped working completely and not just 1 or 2 speeds. But I couldn't see any reason why. Anyway, cut a long story short, that I changed the resistor, and then it still didn't work, and so I found that here's the lens cap jumping around there. This is the fuses in the engine bay, and the yellow one here that you can see on the left hand side, third from the top, that's a 20 amp fuse, and that's the one for the blower. And there's the top there. Where are we? There we go, the fellow right there. This is blower, and so you know where it is. When I looked, not sure whether you can see it, but that was blown, and so I thought, hello, there's an electrical problem obviously, or something going on. When I pulled the blower fan out, it was actually locked in position. It wouldn't turn at all. When I forced it, there was a snap, and then it turned. So something has caught, or something has gone astray in it, and so that's the end of that. So luckily I had a spare one from when I swapped these over about 8 years ago, and I kept it, and so I just whacked the new one in, and away it went. So it's all good. And now I've ordered another spare one. It's about $78 Australian for a new one of these. And just make sure you get the right one for your year. They do change apparently when they went to the RA series, which I think started in 2003. This is an R7 1997 TFS55 series. Anyway, that's what happens. So if you do get an issue where the fan just stops working, all of a sudden, pull that out. It's fairly easy to get it out under the glove box. Drop it out. It's got an electrical attachment which goes in that little recess there. Reasonably pretty easy to get out. Just drop it down and swap it over. And when you put it back in, just make sure this little bit here, this bit here, goes in the right place. You'll see where it goes in the vehicle, but if you're not watching for it, you can easily put that round in the wrong position, and what it does, it actually joins up with the air intake system. So it's pretty important that it actually goes in the correct position. Alright, thank you.